Bangalore for 2 years, and I'm coming all the way from Saudi Arabia. So yeah, study-wise, yeah, MBBS has been the toughest subject I have heard about. There are many subjects to be thorough with, by heart it, and I have to at least pass the exam as well and with good grades.
Now we are with Aisha Inayat. Now her father has come all the way from Saudi, and Aisha was very recently, she was in Kerala. You are in Kerala most probably?
Yeah, up to
No, you are in Karnataka. Even Karnataka, yeah.
Up till 10th she was in Saudi Arabia.
Okay,
Then
and last
11th and 12th.
2 years have done in Karnataka, okay.
It was Chaitanya.
So I would like to ask Aisha and her father about their experience with Omkar Medicom.
Yeah, right.
So I would like to request Aisha's father. First, I would like to request Aisha's father to say something about this.
Right from the beginning, when we contacted Omkar, Mr. Pillai was very supportive to us. Then we had a couple of talk and chats. Then we came to know he is the nephew of one of my professor from engineering college. There we become very more close. So till now he was very supportive. Whatever it was there, he used to reply us. He used to contact Mr. Bhomik. So as far as the consultancy is concerned, there's nothing wrong. They are very, very professional people, and we recommend to any other student who goes in future Omkar with my experience.
Worried about safety while studying abroad? In China, safety is not a privilege, it's a way of life. No matter where you're from or how long you stay, you'll always feel secure. Even when you return home, you'll miss this blessing of safety. Study in China, the safest place on earth for female students.
Now, Aisha, you are going to study medical. Probably you know this is one of the toughest subjects in the world. So, have you any plan in your mind that what kind of studies, how many hours they are going to spend for the studies, and how many hours they are going to spend for the other things, extracurricular activities? Because nowadays extracurricular activities means anything, not only Facebook or chatting. Many things can be. So, any plans in your mind, and if any plan for doing PG in future, tell us about the subject also and why. Okay. First, give your introduction. Then
I am Aisha Inayat, and I'm been studying in Bangalore for 2 years, and I'm coming all the way from Saudi Arabia. So yeah, study-wise, yeah, MBBS has been the toughest subject I have heard about. There are many subjects to be thorough with, by heart it, and I have to at least pass the exam as well and with good grades. And yeah, I'll dedicate most of my time for studies, and probably weekends I'll just go for the co-curricular activities.
Yeah.
And for PG, if you see, I'm not sure if it's China or India, but if I'm going,
which subject is?
I'd go for gynecology.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, so yeah.
And other activities, she is interested in sports. She used to play basketball, shuttle.
That's a very good thing, because in China you will get all these scopes.
Yeah, so I'll just check on it for
Leisure
in
time we
weekends,
can
you know.
spend there.
Yeah, other days I have to study.
No,
Cope up.
there is a game stress every day.
Yeah, that'll be helpful then.
Yeah,
And
I can just keep
priority-
on
40
sports.
minutes game stress every
Yeah,
day.
She has to prioritize the studies.
So that is quite obvious, but the Chinese people, what they think, that if your health is not okay,
Yeah, right.
then even if you become a very good doctor, you cannot treat the other patients.
Yeah.
So that's why they give stress on the physical activities
That's
also.
good.
Like in China, there is a Tai Chi class. You know, Tai Chi is kind of yoga.
Okay.
Kind of yoga.
Yes.
But you can do it outdoor.
Yeah.
Yoga you can do indoor. Tai Chi, this is a very good class. There's a music all over this ground.
Okay.
And you will do this Tai Chi, this
Okay.
different.
There'll be a sort of relaxation.
Very
effect.
relaxation purpose.
Yes, I get it. That's nice.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video, and make sure to share it with all the students who can benefit from it. I am Dr. Shamik Majumdar from Omkar Medicom, signing off now. See you in the next video.